Jonathan Darwin here for International Combat Sports, ready to call the six-man tag for you here at the Mountain Ridge Community Theater in beautiful Bell, West Virginia. Jason Kincaid leading two of his proteges here, Benny Conley and Johnny Youngblood. I guess a tag team of their own right, Nick Mans and Clark Hudson. And no stranger to the tag team action as well, one half of DD Trash, Bruce Gray. I'm waiting to see how well Bruce Gray gels with these two other men, where he's normally used to teaming with Ron Mathis. All right, Bruce Gray gave him the word. Who will be starting for each respective team? We want to thank you for joining us again for International Combat Sports. Don't forget to thumbs up this button, or thumbs up this video, excuse me, and hit that subscribe button. And some sort of hand gesture contest to determine who will be starting for the fabulous 3 birds. I'm going to make sure I get that correct and not get demonetized or sued. Jason the Gift Kincaid, probably one of the top independent talents in the world, hands down. Collar and elbow tie-up now. Nick Mans, oh man, he's just got Kincaid straight up there. And Mans, I tell you what, I think he's just trying to infuriate Jason the Gift Kincaid. And Kincaid, Kincaid giving no quarter as we're seeing here. Oh, Man's calling for a test of strength, but Kincaid not with the height advantage, so I'm not sure if he's going to be able to reach that high. Tell you what, he's got the flexibility advantage as well, though. I'm not sure what Kincaid's strategy is going to be for this. And Mans is claiming Kincaid is frightened. I don't see that one at all. So we're going to bring in the tall man himself, Johnny Youngblood. Oh, wait a minute. I think... so this was how we were going to get Kincaid up there. Now, don't get me wrong, Youngblood's still the legal man, but we finally might get that test of strength. Man's saying, wait a minute now. All right, tag brings in Hudson. Okay. A test of strength on shoulders. Wait a minute, Bruce Gray's down there, so is Conley. Almost mirror images. Conley was successful eye poke as Gray was not. And you see one there. Can Johnny Youngblood make it a trifecta of stomping the foot, I was going to say. Hitting the eyes of Man. But not necessary, as the fabulous 3 birds now are just taking apart the S.O.B.s and Bruce Gray. Just getting ready to call for their shot here. Ripped into the corner, and down goes one of the 3 competitors. I thought the other 2 were going to go down as well. Oh, triple noggin knocker. And there we go, all down now. Fabulous 3 birds, definitely entertaining the audience. Wait a minute. A little bit of calisthenics and rowing the boat. All joking aside, this will bend the tendons back. Maybe even pull a muscle or 2. And Kincaid very happy with his efforts. It's time for the photographic opportunity of the fabulous 3 birds. The referee trying to get some decorum back in this one, unsuccessfully though. And the other team of Mans, Hudson, and Gray attempting to regroup. All right, so we got Hudson back on the inside now. And I tell you what, the innovative Jason the Gift Kincaid here. There That's what I'm talking about. Look at Kincaid up and over and sweeps right down on Hudson. But Hudson with the exchange. One pin. Oh. Hudson with the stomp, but no one there as Kincaid has him up, flips him over. And Kincaid has him caught. It's Clark Hudson going down. Oh no! Big backbreaker by Jason the Gift Kincaid as he comes off, springboards off, and a straight knee. 1, 2, no. Kincaid ready to, looks like, call for one of his partners here. This is where I think the Three Birds are going to have the advantage. They'll know how to cut the ring off and keep their opponents from getting the tag, while the Three Birds are able to keep the fresh man in for the team. Kincaid with the clothesline. And Conley, one of the powerhouses of the team. Oh my God, right to Hudson's jaw. And Kincaid, big double stomp there. And you see Clark Hudson there in no man's land. He's in trouble. And Kincaid, well, he's got Hudson up in a slingshot, chife edge chop. Oh, that'll do some damage to the back. Oh my God, what force by Conley. And you see Conley, I think he's getting ready to do his signature eye poke. Nope, good kicks there by Kincaid and Conley, straight to man's, but no effect to bail. Oh, that'll stop you. Now, wait a minute, Kincaid ready to deliver some eye pokes of his own as the S.O.B.s in gray attempt to regain what has been lost to them so far in this match. Kincaid going to work on Hudson again. As we see Kincaid whipping Hudson over. Oh, Hudson reversing Russian leg sweep. And Clark Hudson finally gets the tag. And here comes Bruce Gray. As Kincaid fights free. Gray with a swing and a miss. Second one. Nothing successful there. And Jason the Gift Kincaid with an atomic drop. Inverted. Gray's hurting after that one. Youngblood, the least experienced of the men. I tell you, Youngblood's really come into his own recently. If you haven't seen him on any of the other AIWF affiliates. And Kincaid and Youngblood now. Good splashes there. Well, we're getting a second set of stinger splashes as Kincaid called it. Out of the ring goes Hudson. And Gray getting the lights knocked out of him. But Gray reverses. Oh no. Oh, chop block there to Youngblood's leg. And Youngblood now, he's hurt. But able to get over there to tag Benny Conley. I think Youngblood may have. Oh no. I think Youngblood's in trouble. And I don't mean that in a usual way. I think that he's going to need to see the trainers. That's, well, it happens from time to time and you really can't do anything about it. And it looks like this is going to turn into a handicap tag, unfortunately. Youngblood is going to the back, hopping away there to try and see what medical attention he can receive. Maybe return. More than likely, probably not, unfortunately. So Conley and Kincaid are going to have to work double hard if they're going to be successful in this match. And now Conley getting cut off from Jason the Gift Kincaid. As Mans comes in again. I'll tell you what, Nick Mans, he's a brute. He's an absolute beast in there. As we're seeing a display of that power now. Oh my God, straight across the spine of Benny Conley. And Gray wants a piece of it now. And Conley's in desperate dire straits here. Oh! Kick right to the mid ribs. And Gray finally gets some fists off there. And we see, looks like Gray's getting ready to push for it. Leg drop there. Two count though. And Gray knows what he needs to do at this point. It's almost elementary to him of how they need to dismantle Benny Conley. And Conley over in that corner, excuse me, and you're seeing the exchange of tags. Excuse me, ladies. Sorry about that. Oh, another inverted atomic drop. And down goes Conley. Going for that pin, 2. No. Wow. Sleazy E made sure that one didn't end. Sleazy E, the manager of the Fabulous Three Birds. And you see now, Conley trying to stretch through. He's got it. Not sure if he does. And, oh, what a hair pull by Clark Hudson. Over the pin here. 1, 2, no. And that armbar being applied by Hudson now. Man's coming back in. And I tell you what, that right arm of Benny Conley's hurting. And just that quickly, they make another tag to bring in Bruce Gray. Double team effort here now. Referee tries to get control back there. Kincaid on the outside. Wants to see his partner be able to come over, but I don't know if that's going to happen yet. Snapmare takeover by Bruce Gray. Whoa, Kincaid gets knocked off the canvas by Gray. Oh, look at the submission work being applied by Bruce Gray. Pinching that trapezius muscle. As Conley now, just pinching on the nerves in that arm, right in shoulder region. And just putting extra pressure on the deltoid. As you see, Conley wasn't able to fight out of it as Gray uses a forced hair pull to keep Conley down. Well, Bruce Gray arguing with the fans, and that's not going to curry him any favors, and it's not going to help him win the match either. Experienced tag team wrestler like Bruce Gray should know that. But Gray, just lets Nick Mans play with Benny Conley there like a cat playing with a toy. Conley trying to fight free. What, 2 fists. Oh, swing. And Mans with sheer brute force takes Benny Conley down. And Kincaid still not on the ring apron. And Bruce Gray, a little wiggle. Oh, that'll do some damage. And holy cow, that's got to be at least 400 plus pounds coming down on you. And Gray dropping the big hand, going for that pin. 1. There you go, Kincaid, quick to break it up. Going for the pin again. Oh, but a 1 count this time. I'll tell you what, Gray's showing some tenacious-like behavior out there to stay on Conley, trying to get the pin. And a submission now. And this is where I'll give Bruce Gray the credit that he deserves, using his experience to work on the same body part as he did his tag team partners. Conley, can he get loose? Does finally get it. Is it enough? No! Bruce Gray coming off the ropes again. Oh, Conley catches him. Can Conley shift the momentum back in his favor? Nope. Gray with wobbled knees, and Conley knows it. Conley a little bit out of it himself here. Wait a minute. Oh, Bruce Gray trying to get the abdominal stretch. Can he be successful? Yeah, he is. And the referee checking to see if it is a submission. Wait a minute here. Come on. Double team move. And Kincaid can't believe what he's seeing. Trying to argue with the referee about it. Blind tag brings in Mans. And I tell you what, that was not a clean tag. And everybody, you, me, even the popcorn vendor saw that. And now Mans hurting away on Benny Conley. And Benny Conley very much in trouble at this point. Exhausted, but tag brings in Kincaid. Oh no, referee didn't see it. Referee didn't see it, so it's not going to be an illegal tag. You see Conley now getting bent like a pretzel by Bruce Gray. And Gray has Conley, oh, Conley breaking loose. Can he get over to Kincaid? No, not at all. Wait a minute, Conley inches, what an enziguri. And now the gift coming back in. Off the top rope with a cross body. Wait a minute, Kincaid, can he fight it? That's a boot. And you see Kincaid, oh my gosh, the power of Jason Kincaid. Those devastating kicks. Jason Kincaid, almost a 3-on-1 match here. Hudson trying to stop it. Kincaid reverses though. And Kincaid now has all three men where he wants them. Getting a European uppercut off. Knee now, or excuse me, drop kick. As all three competitors lay flat on their backs. And Kincaid has to go to the outside to bring the legal man in or bide his time. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh, wait a minute. He's a little premature. Santa Claus, the distraction. I gotta make sure he gets my list before he leaves. Oh no, it's Youngblood. With the power of Christmas, he's able to be healed and, takes down the S.O.B.s, excuse me, Gray, one half of the S.O.B.s, and Clark Hudson getting the beat down of his life and a spear by Santa Claus. Kincaid and Conley lifting Hudson up. Oh, this one they're known for. Good double team maneuver. Santa with the pin. Let's get the official word.